Imagine a tiny, invisible network that can supercharge your plants, making them stronger, healthier, and incredibly productive. This isn't science fiction, it's a groundbreaking natural phenomenon that most gardeners completely overlook. Prepare to unveil the microscopic allies that are secretly multiplying nature's bounty. Right now, beneath our feet, there is a world we rarely think about: the fungal networks hidden in soil. We often credit fertilizers, lights, or water for plant success, but fungi have been quietly shaping plant growth for over 400 million years. In fact, many scientists believe that without fungi, plants may have never colonized land in the first place. These networks, called mycorrhizae, literally mean fungus root. That's not pathogens, they're partners. They link with plant roots, extending them into the vast underground webs that shuttle nutrients, water, and even chemical signals between plants. Some call this the wood wide web, and the more we learn about it, the more powerful it seems. So, how does this partnership actually work? It's a trade deal that most countries would be jealous of. The plant provides the fungi with carbohydrates, simple sugars made during photosynthesis. In return, the fungi act like an extension of the root system, sending out microscopic filaments called hyphae that can stretch meters beyond the plant's own roots. This massively expands the plant's foraging zone. Suddenly, phosphorus, which is heavily used during flowering, is now not locked deep in soil, and trace minerals and even water pockets that were previously unreachable now become available. Studies show mycorrhizal associations can increase phosphorus uptake by 70% or more, and boost nitrogen, potassium, and micronutrient acquisition as well. But it's not just about food. Mycorrhizal fungi also helps plants resist stress. They trigger defense compounds, build stronger root walls, and even share stress signals between plants, warning neighbors of incoming pests. Again, it's not science fiction. It's ecosystem level teamwork happening silently every day. The results are beyond dramatic. Farmers using mycorrhizal inoculants or protecting fungal networks routinely see 15 to 30% yield boost, even with less fertilizer. In arid regions, crops survive droughts longer because fungi channel extra water to roots. Examples are everywhere. Vineyards in Europe rely on mycorrhizae for consistent grape quality under shifting climates. Corn and wheat fields inoculated with fungi have shown increased resilience against both pest and nutrient deficiencies. In horticulture trials, inoculated tomato and pepper plants not only grow larger, but also had higher vitamin and antioxidant content. And here's the kicker: these benefits reduce costs, less fertilizer needed, less irrigation required, lower disease pressure. That's more yield, better quality, and a smaller environmental footprint. A triple win for growers. It's worth pausing on just how efficient fungi are compared to human inputs. Globally, farmers spend billions of dollars on chemical fertilizers. But studies show a thriving mycorrhizal community can replace a significant chunk of that input. Think of it this way: fungi are natural nutrient miners. Their hyphae are so thin they can reach soil pores roots will never touch, extracting locked up nutrients. That means less runoff, less wasted fertilizer, and again, less cost to the grower. For indoor or container growers, where every input is controlled, inoculating with mycorrhizae can improve fertilizer efficiency by 20 to 40%. In hydroponic or soilless systems, their role is different but still valuable, especially in cocoa or mixed substrates where root colonization is still possible. So how do you actually harness this power? Step 1, inoculation. Step 1, inoculation. Commercial products, which we will cover in a later video, contain spores of mycorrhizal fungi that can be dusted onto seeds, dipped onto roots at transplant, or mixed into soil. Early contact is key. The fungi need to colonize roots while they're still young and growing. Step 2, protect the network. Avoid aggressive tilling, which tears fungal webs apart. Stick to no-till or low-till methods if possible. Maintain living roots, so use cover crops, companion plants, or even clover mixes so the fungi always have a host. Step 3. Don't sabotage your fungi. Overloading with phosphorus fertilizers can actually shut down fungal colonization because the plant no longer needs the partnership. Similarly, broad spectrum fungicides can wipe out good fungi along with the bad. Do these right, and your fungal allies will establish and persist for years. Even with fungi, mistakes happen. No visible difference? Remember, results depend on environment. In sterile soils or cocoa, inoculation is more critical than in living soils already rich in fungi. Overfeeding phosphorus? Plants stop signaling fungi, so inoculants won't take. Short-term focus? Fungal networks often take weeks to months to fully establish. Be patient. It's a long-term payoff. And again, that's why it really does pay off to inoculant early. I usually drop some inoculants on the seed before I plant. If you're running container grows, don't expect massive underground webs, but even micro-scale colonization can improve water and nutrient dynamics. Here's where it gets exciting. Scientists now believe that mycorrhizal fungi could be the key to global food security. With pressures from climate change, water scarcity, and the rising cost of fertilizers, these fungi offer a natural, sustainable solution. We're seeing breeding programs focused on fungi-friendly crops, biofertilizers designed to work hand in hand with inoculants, and even research into how fungal networks share carbon between plants. Imagine a farm where one crop literally fuels another through a fungal bridge. And this isn't just big agriculture. It starts in your own grow room, your backyard, your raised bed. By introducing and protecting these fungi, you're part of a movement towards sustainable growing, one spore at a time. So experiment, share your results, and help spread the fungal revolution. Because the future isn't just green, it's fungal. Well, that concludes for today's video, guys. I did want to thank you, as always, for watching. Like if you enjoyed this one. Subscribe for more. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.